Hi guys, Voinski, and today I will be going over the May 10-day experience pack special for you guys. Now, if you've been following my videos, if you have subscribed to my channel, you know that over the past few months, I have developed a pretty much ketogenic lifestyle. I'm not as strict as some other people are about it, but I'm definitely pretty on point and on track with how I do my keto. Macro-wise, if you know anything about it, I do a 70% fat, 20% protein, 10% carb, and that is what I do. Some people make their carbs even smaller than 10%. They do 5 or even 3%. I'm not there. I'm at 10. That's how I do it. But in the process of starting this journey, I came across a great product that I simply love. I fell in love with. Completely was a game changer for me, and I loved it so much that I jumped on the bandwagon and started using it every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, and saw incredible results from it. I saw that I broke through my plateaus, I lost a ton of weight, more importantly, I had an amazing amount of natural energy, and it just made me feel really, really good, and I wasn't crashing anymore, I wasn't needing a nap or anything like that in the afternoon. It's pretty incredible. So those products are made by Pruvit, and they are ketones, and it's different flavors you can get, and you mix it with ice and water, you shake it up, and you drink it, and you drink it once or twice a day, and it's absolutely amazing. It helps my lifestyle. It allows me to have date night with my husband and not worry about getting off track. It allows me to every now and then go to the movie theater with my kids, and yeah, I might have some popcorn with butter, not gonna lie, and I don't gain a ton of weight because my ketones are helping me. So I love them so much. I was like, I need to get these into everybody's hands because I've seen what they've done for me. I've seen what they've done for my friends. My friends are sending me pictures. Their clothes are too big and they need to go shopping. So it's amazing, right? So for the month of May, we have a special going on, and I want to show you what you'll receive if you purchase a 10-day experience pack from me. There's a link in this video description. It says try a 10-day experience. Go ahead and click that, and you can go ahead and get yourself in for it, right? Okay, so you may have seen in the past that I had awesome like gold treasure packaging. Okay, so May is going to be different. I switched up the packaging a little bit, and I wonder if the color will transmit. We now have rose gold. They're so pretty. I love them so much. And I wanted to switch it up because we're getting ready for summer. We're getting ready for flowers, right? April showers bring May flowers. And I am just absolutely in love with the rose gold. It's a little more pink in person than what the video is showing. So if you purchase a 10-day, what you'll receive in the mail is a package that looks like this. It'll have the label on it. And then inside, you'll find an awesome little note from me. But you'll find the treasure, right? And I have all these gold tones because I really do think it's treasure. It absolutely has had an impact for me, which is why I love sharing it with you guys as you figure out how to make keto or low carb a part of your life, right? It is so extremely hard to remain strict like that when you've got kids, family, date nights, holidays, all these things, right? You've got summer coming up. You're going to be at concerts. You're going to be doing all these things. So how do you make it work for you without totally kicking yourself out of ketosis? These get you into ketosis within 60 minutes. And the amazing thing is that if you're already in ketosis, then the extra ketones that you're putting into your system are going to be burning that stored fat. You're going to have more ketones to burn more fat. If you're not in ketosis because you're eating more carbs and maybe you're not super strict with your sugars, these will put you in ketosis within 60 minutes. And not only that, but they give you just energy. So no matter who's using them, you're getting the natural energy from it. It's pretty amazing. And I'm going to show you exactly which ones you get and what the special deal is because you're going to get a limited time flavor if you mention this video when you order. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is the chocolate swirl. Okay, chocolate swirl right here. And there's a mix of caffeinated and decaf too. So the chocolate swirl, you can mix with ice and water. I'm not a huge fan of that, to be quite honest with you. Some people love that with ice and water, but I'm also not a huge chocolate person. So the way that I do it is I mix it with iced coffee and heavy cream and makes like a mocha latte. It's super good. You can also mix it with almond milk. One of my other friends got macadamia nut milk and mixed it with that, and I think she really liked it. So you're gonna get chocolate swirl. You'll also get another flavor over here called Orange Dream. Now, you'll see these packages say Keto OS on them, and they have MCT oil. So if you're new to this keto life, MCT oils are great for you. They're healthy fats, and having them in your ketones is wonderful because it helps up your fat intake. It helps your body even create more natural ketones. It's great. So the Orange Dream is like a creamsicle. You can mix this with almond milk. I mix it with ice and water, and normally I hate creamsicle flavored stuff like those creamsicle ice pops. I'm not a huge fan, but I was shocked that I actually super loved this. So this is Orange Dream. You'll get 1 or 2 of those as well. You are totally gonna get Maui Punch. This is the flavor that like started it all. When you mix it, it's pink. It has this like red pink color to it. It's Maui Punch. Tastes like fruit punch. People absolutely love it. And when I have it in my shaker bottle, people are like, what is that pink drink? I'm like, it's Maui Punch. It's so good. So this is more fruity. It's not super sweet, but it is more like a Hawaiian punch. So great for the summer, great for May as you're getting ready for that beach body, right? Okay, now this one. Seriously, one of my favorites. I have this every month. It's amazing. Raspberry lemonade, okay? So raspberry lemonade is also pink. It's a lighter color than the Maui Punch when you mix it up, just ice and water. And it is so, 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 so good. I cannot even tell you. Perfect for summertime. It's amazing. Now, there are some other flavors that I don't have pictures of right now that you might also get depending on what's in stock. There's Heart Tart that tastes like a sweet tart candy. It's so good. It came out around Valentine's Day and people loved it so much that the company just added it as like an all-time favorite flavor, and it's just there now for everybody all the time. And there's Splash. It kind of tastes like watermelon, super light, perfect for sitting outside on your deck or by the pool in the summertime. It's amazing. Now, the really cool thing is that also some of these, like the raspberry, the Maui, even the orange, you can mix with sparkling water. You can even use flavored sparkling water. So you don't have to just do ice and water. You can make it fancy. Put it in a nice glass. I put mine in a stemless wine glass. I feel like I'm a princess and I'm actually going somewhere when I'm just really at home. Now, the deal that will be so awesome if you order using this video in your comment section of your order form, you're gonna get a limited time flavor in your pack. And it's called Keto Envy. Now here's the thing about Keto Envy. I think it came out back when the Girl Scout cookies were coming out, so probably like February, March, something like that. It tastes like a thin mint cookie. And what I mean is it's minty. It's got that, I mixed it with ice and water, and it has that taste like chocolate chip mint ice cream. You know what I'm talking about? And when the ice cream kind of melts and you just like eat it out of the bowl and you have that like mintiness, that's what this tastes like. It's refreshing. It's amazing. It's limited time. You can't get it on the website right now. So you can only get this through an experience pack with me at the moment. And if you mention this video in your order, you'll get one of these, which is so exciting, right? Because who doesn't want to try a Girl Scout cookie basically in their drink that will help you burn fat, give you energy, improve your digestive system, better sleep, better mood. I mean, it's totally crazy. Protect your muscle mass. So many awesome things. So again, I can't even hold them all. There's so many. Okay. All of these, plus there's other special flavors that are on their way. There's actually a flavor called jelly beans or jellies. It's just called jellies, and we haven't even tasted it yet. I think it's going to taste like a jelly bean, but I don't know what that means because there's so many different flavors of jelly beans. So if you're in my Facebook group, we're going to do a live tasting when it comes in. It should be here soon, and that might get thrown in here too. So you have a lot that you're going to experience with the 10-day pack in the month of May. So remember, the Keto Envy, it's only while supplies last, because once it's gone, I can't order anymore. And that's for the month of May if you go ahead and mention this video. The link is in the description, and you can just fill out that form. I'll get in touch with you. And seriously, guys, if you've been thinking about it and you're like, I see these pictures of her with these bags and I'm not really sure, a 10-day is your best bet because you get to try all the flavors, you get to see how it affects your body, the energy that you're going to get, the inches that you're going to lose over those 10 days, and I guarantee you that you're going to find a flavor that you love and you're going to say, I need to continue this for my life because it's giving me all the feels right now, right? So go ahead, use that description, box for the link. If this was a helpful video for you, you're gonna go ahead and order or something like that, hit the like button. That'd be really awesome of you. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet. I have some great videos coming out with keto recipes, tips, things like that for your lifestyle, some strict keto, some lazy keto, all those things, because we want to be kind of just open community here and say no matter how you decide to do it for you, we want to encourage you and help you grow. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so that you get notified, and I cannot wait to get your 10-day experience pack into your hands.